Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Nasir the Explainer. I hope you all will be fine. Hello guys, welcome back with another amazing and exciting video. In this video I am going to teach and tell you and explain you a short magic trick. Guys, in our daily routine we have to read different reading materials which may be as in the form of our school or college books, or these books may be for our general knowledge. So it is a common problem in our reading material that we feel difficulty in the understanding of the text which we may need to translate in our native language. So here I am going to explain a short trick in which you can translate your reading material into your native language, mother language, or any desired language. So for this purpose you have to have a smartphone, and in the latest Android versions there is a search bar and there is a icon. It is called Google Lens. This icon can be used from the search bar, and this icon can also be used from the camera. Open camera, click this icon. So here is the required application, and if you are unable to find these options or applications in your smartphone, then go to Play Store and search for Google Lens. So here is the option, here is the application which you have to need for the said purpose. As this application is already pre-installed in my smartphone, so there is no need in my case to install this application again. Go back. So open your camera, select the Google Lens icon. A preview window is opened. Then click the translate button and select any text which you want to translate. Click this A button. So here you can see the text is translated from English into Urdu. So you can change this language to these languages which you want to be translated. So you have to download your required language. As I have already downloaded and selected the translated language as Urdu, you can translate from English to English. So you can see the translation is from English to English. You can select the translation language from English to Urdu or any other required language. So you can see here is the translation. You can listen
और सोचो और आप कैसे खड़े हुए? आप खड़े हुए क्योंकि आपके दिमाग ने आपकी टांगों को खड़े होने का पैगाम भेजा था।
So it's very amazing. Let's try another translation. So select, click, if you want to listen, select the text and click listen.
आपका दिमाग अब तक बनाए गए किसी भी कंप्यूटर से ज्यादा होशियार है, जो आपके हंसी याजा और आपके जिस्म के दीगर हिस्सों से हर वक्त पैगामात वसूल करता रहता है। आपके जिस्म को ये बताने में कोई वक्त नहीं लगता कि क्या करना है, ये आपको सोचने और बोलने पर मजबूर करता है। आपके दिमाग का सबसे बड़ा हिस्सा।
So it's enough for the today's video. If you found this video amazing, interesting and educational and informative, please like this video, share with your friends and also comment on this video. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.